Hello there, in front of me is Motorola Moto G53, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So at first enroll the list of all apps, then find and select settings. Here open wallpaper, and now you can smoothly choose new wallpaper from your own photos, current images or stylizer. So let me choose my photos, just give all needed permissions, choose the picture that you want to apply, then customize it however you wish to have it, and tap on confirmation mark. Finally decide if it's for your lock screen only or for both home and lock screens. As it's about wallpaper, I would pick the second option, and as you can see, from now on it is applied and you can enjoy your brand new wallpaper on both lock and home screens. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.